Hey everybody, we are unboxing my monthly DrapeFit subscription. If you don't know what DrapeFit is, it's an amazingly affordable clothing subscription. They offer men's, women's, and children's clothing subscriptions. I'll put the link down below for you to check them out, and there's also a coupon code down there as well for you to use to get $10 off your box. So let's get in here and see what we got, because I'm hoping for some good summery, warm weather, just that warm weather, summery vacation vibe. So let's see if any of that awaits us in this box. All right, you open it up. It's all nicely packaged. Right on top, you find your envelope. Your DrapeFit envelope has your price list in it and all the good information that you need. It also has a note from your stylist. And mine says, "Hi, it's Paulette. I picked out a pair of the purple women's classic jean like jegging shorts that can be paired with the off-shoulder ruffle sleeve floral blouse." Ooh, that sounds good. I chose one yellow square neck sleeveless tank top paired with black floral kimono, perfect for the season, easily paired with the navy belted shorts. Oh my gosh, okay, so it is gonna be like a summery warm weather vibe. Okay, love that. I hope you are delighted, and I can't wait to read your feedback. Please feel free to take photos of yourself in your new fits. They can either be emailed to support@drapefit.com, or you can share them on your Instagram page at DrapeFit Incorporated. Stay safe and have a stylish day. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to get into this. You also have a return bag in your box. If anything doesn't fit or doesn't work for you, you can always put it inside this bag and return it. You only pay for what you keep. And then it's all packaged up nice. And oh my god, this is so pretty. I can already tell. Look at the colors in this. Is this not so very pretty? I love the purple and blue and white flowers. The sleeves are so billowy and just flowy. You've got a stretchy neckline, so I bet you can either wear it like this or off the shoulder, which is so in right now. Oh my goodness, these colors are just gorgeous in this top. And then, oh my gosh, this matches so good with this. Look at these shorts. Oh my gosh, look how good that goes together. These are a stretchy short. They are from the brand Elite. We've seen this brand many times before, and they are very comfortable. And they've got these little rhinestones on the pockets back here, and then it's got a rhinestone faux button there. There are no clasps or zippers because this is a super stretchy material. You're just going to pull it on like a jegging short, and oh my goodness, I have a feeling these are going to be so comfortable and go so good with that floral top. And then we have, okay, this is the floral kimono. This is giving total beach vibes, like at night, like a sunset walk on the beach. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's got yellow and pink flowers all over it. It's very sheer. You can wear this over like a bikini or something. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Our little tank and some shorts. Perfect for the summer. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at this top. Oh my goodness, the ruffles just give it that whole other like total like feminine vibe. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, love this color. Yellow and orange are my favorite colors. They always find a way to get something in there that's one of those colors. And I love that it has like that ribbed pattern here, that rib material that's really hot, really trending, really in right now. Of course, we all know ruffles are in. I absolutely love this. This is absolutely perfect for summer. And then we have These navy shorts, oh my goodness. Okay, they've got a very stretchy waist. I really needed some more shorts like this. It's got kind of a, you can dress these up, but you could also just pair these with a t-shirt as well. They've got the tie in the front, a very light, loose fabric, perfect for the warmer weather. You won't have to worry about getting hot and stuffy in these. So I have a feeling these are going to be comfortable and perfect for the warmer months. An amazing shipment. Absolutely love all of this. I like manifested this box, I feel like. I was like, I need some summery, feel-good clothes, and it's crazy. I feel like they read my mind. They just do everything in here that I wanted and needed. So let's try it all on and see how it all works out. Oh my goodness, this outfit is so pretty. It just gives that pretty, summery, feminine flair. I love that this is off the shoulder. You of course could put it on the shoulders if you feel like doing that, but I love the off the shoulder look. So it just shows a little bit of skin, but not a whole lot. And of course it shows my tattoo, and that's always a plus if it can show off my tattoo. But these sleeves are so pretty. I love how flowy and feminine they are. It kind of gives like garden fairy vibes. And these shorts are so stretchy and comfortable. Like they feel like workout leggings or workout shorts. That's how stretchy they are. And they fit so good. They're so comfortable. And trust me, when it is 100 degrees outside, which that's about what it gets here in July and August, you're not wanting to wear anything uncomfortable because you're already uncomfortable due to the heat. So this is super flowy top, super comfortable shorts. So you don't have to worry about your clothing bothering you. All of this is really lightweight and moves with you and doesn't like rub against you while you're already hot and sweaty. So this is great for this summer and great for my area for this warmer months. So absolutely love this outfit. You're gonna be seeing me wear this one, I promise, because it is so cute together. I love that they sent these together. They go together perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, of course the navy shorts don't go with the black, but I want to talk about this kimono. It is so pretty, perfect for the summer. You can put it on with a little tank like this, or you can throw it over your bathing suit. Oh my goodness, there's so many things you could do with this kimono this summer, and it just adds a little something extra to your outfit without adding any heavy layers. So I love wearing these during the warmer months. It just brings more personality to your outfit without having to, like, you know, in the warmer months we put on like a jacket or a cardigan or something to add a little something extra, a little texture, a little pizzazz. But you can't really do that during the warmer months, so that's where your kimonos come in. You can add that little something extra to your outfit without having to add any heaviness to your outfit and get hot and sweaty and nasty. So love this. Now let's look at the tank in the shorts. This is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, you'll have to wear a t-shirt bra with this. I've got a little lace bra underneath it so you can see the texture. But if you wear a t-shirt bra with it, you're good to go. I love the ribbed tanks and shirts that are in right now. It just adds texture to your outfits. And I love the ruffle detail. Like, it just gives it that little something extra and makes it a little more feminine. And I mean, let's get real. We have 100 tanks. We have 100 spaghetti strap tops. But just adding that little ruffle gives it that little something extra and makes it stand out from the rest. And I love this cheerful yellow color. Perfect for the summer. So I love this. And these shorts are so comfortable, and it feels really lightweight to the point I would think it would almost be see-through, but it's not. You can't see through these at all. They are so lightweight. I feel like I'm not wearing anything but just a little light thin fabric. So perfect summer outfit. Absolutely love these pieces. They didn't go wrong with one piece at all in this shipment. They did an amazing job. Paulette, my stylist, she's on it, man. She has got the perfect summer items for me. Excited for my new summer pieces. Paulette, you did amazing. Thank you so much, DrapeFit. If you have not signed up for DrapeFit, I don't know what you're waiting on, because you get that like high-end clothing subscription experience, but for like a tenth of the price. So I'm going to show you. Let's go over their prices real quick. The women's classic jean-like jegging shorts, the purple ones, are $26.99. The tie front high waist pull-on shorts, the navy shorts here, are $25. The off-shoulder ruffle sleeve floral top is $29.75. The square neck sleeveless tank top is $26.99. And the flower print mesh kimono cover-up is $24.99. That gives us a total of $133.72. But if you keep all of your things in your box, they give you a 25% off discount. So that means you would save $33.43, and you could keep the whole box for $100.29. Literally, these higher end boxes are charging you $100 per item, if not more. So you can keep your whole box from DrapeFit for that. So I don't know what you're waiting on. You get the same good quality clothes, and you get the personal experience and everything for literally fractions of the cost. So don't wait. Go to my link, sign up, try them out. I promise you won't be disappointed, because I have absolutely loved getting my DrapeFit boxes. When my box shows up, I get so excited. I'm like, I cannot wait to sit down and film my DrapeFit video, because I can't wait to see what they sent me, because they always send me amazing things. I was saying before this video, I hope they sent me good summery pieces, and they did. So it's like they read my mind. Absolutely love this box. Thank you guys for unboxing this and trying on these summery vibe clothes. And if you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And while you're there, leave me some love in the comments. And if you haven't already and you enjoy these unboxings and try-ons and that sort of thing, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. That way you can catch the next video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.